Types of load cells. Classifications and applications. This video takes an in-depth look at load cells. You will learn more about topics such as what is a load cell, design of load cells, types of load cells, applications of load cells. What is a load cell? How is the design of load cells structured to convert measurements? Load cell classification. Load cell measuring range. Maximum measuring range. OIML, required load cell labeling. Accuracy class. Number of divisions. Applications. Temperature rating. Humidity rating. Types of load cells. Hydraulic load cell. Pneumatic load cells. Strain gauge load cells. Canister load cells. Compression load cells. Tension load cells. Force sensors. Pressure sensors. Piezoelectric crystal force transducers. Miniature load cells. Donut load cells. Shear beam load cells. Capacitive load cells. There are two categories: low-capacity transducers, mid-capacity transducers. Micro load cells. Multi-axis load cells. High-capacity load cells. Specialty transducers. Pin load cell. Pancake load cells. Dynamometer load cells. Single point load cells. S-beam load cells. Multi-axis load cells. Wheatstone Bridge. What are the differences between analog and digital load cells? Load cell tightness. Ingress protection. Ingress protection rating scale. Hermetically sealed. Importance of load cells. Testing a load cell. Load cell fluctuations. Load cell overloading. Frequently asked questions. What is a load cell and how does it work? How are load cells classified for industrial applications? What are the main types of load cells and their applications? What is IP rating and why is it important for load cells? How do analog and digital load cells differ? How can you test load cells for accuracy and reliability? Applications of load cells. Industries that utilize load cells include food processing, industrial warehousing, building and construction, transportation, research laboratory and pharmaceutical production. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right load cell manufacturers for your needs.